Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter functions. Introduction of functions here. First of all, we know the definition of functions. Definition of function. So let us start now. If A and B are two non-empty sets, and F is a relation from A to B. F is a relation from A to B. Then for every A belongs to A, there exists unique B belongs to B. For every A belongs to B, there exists unique B belongs to B such that A comma B belongs to the relation F. Then F is called a function. In that A is called domain of F and B is called codomain of F. Codomain of F. So first of all, once again I will discuss about function. Here, if A and B are two non-empty sets and F is a relation from A to B, then for every A belongs to A, there exists unique B belongs to B. అంటే ప్రతి A belongs to A, Aలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి ఓన్లీ యూనిక్ B belongs to B, అంటే ఒక B అనేది Bలో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే అండ్ దట్ రిలేషన్ అంటే ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ఏ బిలాంగ్స్ ఏ అంటే ఏలోని ప్రతి ఏకి యూనిక్ బి బిలాంగ్స్ టు బి, ఒకే ఒక బి అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతే రిలేషన్ ఏ కామా బి బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఎఫ్, దెన్ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఫంక్షన్. సో ఏ ఈజ్ డొమైన్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ అండ్ బి ఈజ్ కోడొమైన్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ హియర్ 1 2 3 4 we take here 1 4 9 16 and 25 also. So here two sets we taken here. What are they? A and B. So the set A has elements here 1 2 3 4. So what is set? Set is nothing but the group of elements. Elements are nothing but here numbers we taken here 1 2 3 4 like that. And here B also one more set here, that is also the group of elements 1 4 9 16 25. So here mapping from A to B like this here 1 to 1 and 2 to 4 3 to 9 4 to 16. So here relation A comma B, A to B belongs to F. So how to take here? See here 1 comma 1, that is also belongs to F. 2 comma 4 belongs to F. 3 comma 9 belongs to F. 4 comma 16 also belongs to F. Okay, so each and every element of A belongs to A, that means here 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 4 also belongs to A. ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్స్ కి there exists unique B belongs to B. ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి ఒకటే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ 1కి 1 ఉంది, ఒకటే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది. 2కి 4 ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ 4 ఉంది. 3కి 9 ఉంది, 4కి 16 ఉంది. లేదా అర్థం ఏంటంటే 4కి 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేది లేవు, ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాలేదు ఇక్కడ అంటుండు. కావద్దు
అంటే ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కు 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేవి బిలో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావద్దు.
అయితే అది ఫంక్షన్ కాదు. అంటే ఏంది, ఇప్పుడు 4కి ఇంకో ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా ఖాళీగా ఉంది కదా అనే ఉద్దేశం ఇట్లా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దీన్ని ఫంక్షన్గా పిలువ. ఓకే, సో యూనిక్ బి బిలాంగ్స్ టు బి అంటే ఒకటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే సార్, ఒక ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి బిలో ఒకే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావాలి. ఓకే,
ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి బిలో ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాకూడదు.
సో here 1 we have to write now like this here, f of 1 is equals to 1 we write here, f of 1 is equals to 1. f of 2 value 4. f of 3 is equals to 9. f of 4 is equals to 16. So we got here this one 1, 4, 9, 16. So these are called f images. These are called f images. So what are they? 1, 4, 9, 16. These are called f images. So the set of all f images is called range. Okay, the set of all f images is called range. So that equals to what we take here, set of all f images. What are they? 1, 4, 9, 16. So this is called range. Clear? So here A is, the set A is nothing but domain of f. So this is domain. Okay, so B is called codomain. Clear? Right? So here codomain elements are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. But here range is nothing but all f images. What are they? So 1 element ki image 1 undi, 2 element ki 4 undi, 3 ki 9 ఉంది, 4కి 16 ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఫంక్షన్ అయిన తర్వాత వీటి యొక్క ఇమేజెస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని మనం రేంజ్ తీసుకుంటాం. వీటి యొక్క ఇమేజెస్ 1 యొక్క ఇమేజ్ 1 కాబట్టి ఈ 1 కూడా రేంజ్ ఎలిమెంట్, రేంజ్కు 2 యొక్క ఇమేజ్ 4, 3 యొక్క ఇమేజ్ 9, 4 యొక్క ఇమేజ్ 16. సో f of 1 is equals to 1, f of 2 is equals to 4, f of 3 9, f of 4 16. Okay, so 1, 4, 9, 16. These are called f images. So the set of all f images is called range. So the range is, by using this condition, range is subset or equals to codomain. So see here, range elements are 1, 4, 9, 16 and codomain elements are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay, so range is subset or equals to codomain. Clear? Next one is types of functions. First one is 1 function or injection. So 1 function or injection. So see here, first of all, if f is to a to b, be a function. Okay, so let us take a function f is to a to b if the different elements of a elements of A have different in B. If f is to A to B be a function, then the different elements of A have the different images in B, then f is called 1 1 or injection function. Injection. So write a note here like this. How to write here? See here. So f is to A to B is an injection. Is an injection. That implies, or if and only if A1 comma A2 belongs to A, అంటే ఏమైనా రెండు ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏలోనే తీసుకుంటే అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ A1 ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ A2, అవి రెండు కూడా ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి, ఇమేజెస్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి. దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ A1 ఈక్వల్స్ టు A2, ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి. క్లియర్? సో ఇమేజెస్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి, ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి, అప్పుడు దాన్ని ఇంజెక్షన్ అంటాం. ఆర్ A1 comma A2 belongs to A. So A1 not equals to A2, elements not equals అయితే f of A1 కూడా not equals to f of A2 కావాలి, అప్పుడు కూడా ఇంజెక్షన్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వి టేక్ హియర్ one, two, three, 2, 4, 6. So 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 3 to 6 we take here. So this is a function here, domain A and codomain B. So different elements of A 1, 2, 3 having different images 2, 4, 6. Clear? Right? So different elements ఉన్నాయి, different images ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి this function is called injection. Clear? So your first condition is nothing but this one. So first condition is what here? F of A1 equals to f of A2. F of A1 means here this one. So f of 1 is equals to f of 2. అవుతుంది అంటే f of 1 value 2, f of 2 value 4. కాదు, f of 1 value 2, f of 2 equals to 4. So both are not equals. కాబట్టి 1 not equals to 2 automatically. Okay, clear? Right? So that implies 1 equals to 2 అవుతుంది. ఇది ఈక్వల్ అవుతే 1 ఈక్వల్స్ 2 అవుతుంది. క్లియర్? సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఇవి నాట్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి సెకండ్ కండిషన్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి, 1 నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2, 1 ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2, ఇవి రెండు కూడా నాట్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1 నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 2 కావాలి. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1 వాల్యూ ఎంత? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1 వాల్యూ 2 నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 2 వాల్యూ ఎంత? 4. So 1 not equals to 2. So that's why their images also not equal. Okay. So these are the elements here. 1 comma 2 belongs to A. Like this here. 1 comma 2 belongs to A. They are not equal. That implies their images also not equal. Elements are not equal. Images also not equal. Images are equal. Then elements are equal. So this is the rule for injection. Okay, clear? Right? Sometimes this will be also possible. So most probably we take here this one, this condition. So what is that one? A1 not equals to A2. That implies f of A1 not equals to f of A2. Right. Next one, onto function or surjection. Onto function or surjection. F is to A to B be a function. For every B belongs to B, for every B belongs to B, there exists, అంటే ప్రతి B belongs to B కి there exists. So what is exist here? At least one A belongs to A. At least one A belongs to A, such that f of a equals to b. f of a equals to b. అంటే ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ b బిలాంగ్స్ టు b అంటే ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ bలోని ఎలిమెంట్కి దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఏంటి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావాలి, అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ ఏ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఏ అంటే ఒకే ఒకటి కావచ్చు, అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ కూడా కావచ్చు. ఓకే, అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ అంటే వన్ అండ్ మోర్ అన్నట్టు. వన్ అండ్ more, at least one is nothing but one and more. So at least one element in a such that f of a equals to b. f of a equals ఏం కావాలి, మళ్ళీ b అనే కండిషన్ పాసిబుల్ కావాలి. then f is called onto function or surjection. Onto function or surjection. For example, we take here 1 2 3 4. So 1 4 9 16 25 we taken in function definition. For function definition we taken like this here. Okay, so 1 to 1 we written 2 to 4, 3 to 9 and 4 to 16. Suppose we take this example. Okay, so for every b belongs to b, for every b belongs to b అంటే ప్రతి b belongs to b, 1 అనేది b belongs to 1 belongs to b, 4 belongs to b, 9 belongs to b, 16 belongs to b, 25 also belongs to b. There exists at least one a belongs to a అంటే 1కి ఇందులో ఖచ్చితంగా ఏదైనా ఒకటి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావాలి. 1కి 1 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది, ఓకే. 4కి 2 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది, 4 ఓకే. 9కి 3 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది, ఓకే. 16కి 4 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది, బట్ 25కి ఏం ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాలేదు. కాబట్టి ఇది సబ్జెక్షన్ కాదు. క్లియర్? ఫంక్షన్ అవుతా అంటే ఫంక్షన్ అవుతుంది, 1 1 అవుతా అంటే 1 1 కూడా అవుతుంది. 1 1 అంటే డిఫరెంట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ హ్యావింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇమేజెస్ ఇన్ బి, 1 1 అవుతుంది. బట్ సబ్జెక్షన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సపోజ్ 25 ఈజ్ నాట్ గివెన్, 25 ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకుందాం, అప్పుడు ఇది సబ్జెక్షన్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి ఇందులో ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ అయితే ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది. ఓకే, ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇంకా 2 కూడా కావచ్చు అంటే 2 కూడా కావచ్చు. ఎలా కావచ్చు అంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వి టేక్ హియర్. దిస్ ఇస్ సబ్జెక్షన్ నౌ. వై? బికాస్ 1 to 1, 2 to 4, 3 to 9, 4 to 9. This is 1 1 and on to also. Both function. Clear? Right? So one more example we take here for surjection. So we take only 1 2 here, 2 3 4 like this here. Okay, so A and B. So 1 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1 also. So observe this function. What is the difference between these two functions? Clear? So for every b belongs to b అంటే 1 belongs to b కాబట్టి at least 1 అంటే ఒకటి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది, 1కి 2 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది, 2కి 3 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది, 2కి 4 కూడా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది. అంటే ఏంది? అట్లీస్ట్ 1 అంటే 1 అండ్ మోర్, ఒకటైతే సరిపోతుంది కానీ అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ కూడా అయినాయి. 1 అండ్ మోర్, అట్లీస్ట్ 1 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1 అండ్ మోర్, ఒకటి కావచ్చు అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ కూడా కావచ్చు. కాబట్టి this is also surjection. Okay, so what is surjection? And f of a equals to b. F of a, what is a? F of 2 is equals to b. What is b? 1. F of 3 is equals to 2. F of 4 also equals to 2. F of 4 also equals to 2. Clear? Right. So here this is a example for surjection only, not 1 1. Why? Because different elements having only one image in B. That's why this is not a 1 1 function, but this is surjection. Clear? Here 1 1 on 2, both functions are there, so then that function is called a bijective function. Bijective function. So what is bijective? What is bijective function here? So bijective function is nothing but f is to a to b is bijective, then both 1 1 and onto functions both are possible, then that function is called a bijective function. 1 1 and onto. So this is 1 1 and onto, that's why this is called a bijection function. Most important questions of functions. So now first question of the functions. If the function f is defined by f of x equals to x plus 2, if x is greater than 1, f of x equals to 2, if minus 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1, in between minus 1 to 1 x value is there, then f of x equals to, we take 2. In between minus 3 to 1 x value, then f of x value we taken minus x minus 1 we take here. Okay, in between minus 3 to 1. Then find the values of f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5 and f of 2 plus f of minus 2. Last one is f of minus 5. So in between minus 3 to minus 1 only, minus 2 will be exist here. Clear? So now we find out here. See here. First one. What is first one? F of 3 is the first one. So in place of x, what is there? 3 is there. 3 is greater than 1. Yes or no? So 3, x value is greater than 1. So that's why what we take here, we take first condition, that is f of x equals to x plus 2. That implies f of x equals to x plus 2 we take here. Now we substitute here. What we substitute here? X equals to 3 we substitute here. F of 3, that equals to 3 plus 2. So that equals to 5. We get here f of 3 value 5. So input is nothing but 3. Output is nothing but, outcome is nothing but 5. Clear? So f of 3 equals to, we got here 5. So in this case, this is input. We got here 5. That is outcome. So this belongs to B. This belongs to A. Clear? So domain and codomain. Clear? Right. Next, second one. What is second one? F of 0. F of 0. So x equals to 0. This is input. So where is 0? 0 will be is less than or equals to 1 and greater than equals to minus 1. Okay, అంటే minus 1 నుంచి 1 మధ్యలో 0 ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి, so x value in between minus 1 to 1. So that's why we take a second condition, f of x equals to 2. F of x equals to 2. Now we give input. So what is input here? Input is nothing but x value, that is 0, f of 0. So f of 0 equals to, we get here 2 again. Why? Because there is no x term. Take any value, we get here 2. ఏది ఇచ్చినా కానీ మనకు 2 వాల్యూ వస్తుంది, నాట్ ఓన్లీ 0. 1 ఇచ్చినా 2 వస్తుంది, 2 ఇచ్చినా 2 వస్తుంది, ఏది ఇచ్చినా 2 వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు ఎక్స్ అనేది లేదు కాబట్టి. 1 రాసినా కానీ 2 అని రాస్తాం, 2 రాసినా కానీ 2 రాస్తాం, 3 రాసినా 3 రాస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? లేదు. కాబట్టి ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 0 వాల్యూ 2, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1 ఆల్సో 2, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ minus 1 ఆల్సో 2. క్లియర్? రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, వై? బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్, దిస్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్. క్లియర్? ఏ ఇచ్చినా మనకు కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఒకటే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి దట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ minus 1.5. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ minus 1.5. సో ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, we take here minus 1.5. minus 1.5. So that belongs to C here. Minus 1.5 is less than minus 1. Minus 1.5 is less than minus 1. Is greater than minus 3. Minus 3 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, minus 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. That's why belongs to third one. So that's why what we take here, f of x equals to x minus 1 we take here. Now give inputs here. So what is input here? X equals to minus 1 by 5. That's why f of minus 1 by 5 that equals to minus 1.5. So f of minus 1.5 that equals to minus 1.5 minus 1 minus 2.5. Now fourth one. What is fourth one? F of 2 plus f of minus 2. F of 2 plus f of minus 2. F of 2 is nothing but belongs to first condition. So directly I will write. Clear? So f of 2 means here this is belongs to greater than 1. That's why we take here f of x plus 2. Okay. So f of x equals to x plus 2 for x equals to 2. Okay. And f of x equals to, so minus 2 belongs to which coordinate? See here. Which set? That is nothing but this set. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 like this here. So f of x equals to x minus 1 for x equals to minus 2. Clear? So that's why we take here f of 2 plus f of minus 2 that equals to what we get now? F of 2 equals to, we take this one. So 2 plus 2 we get here. 2 plus 2 plus f of minus 2. That means what we get here? We take this one. Minus 2 minus 1. So 2 plus 2 4. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So f of 2 plus f of minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay. Right, next fifth one. So what is fifth one? F of minus 5. F of minus 5. That means here x equals to minus 5, that is less than minus 3. Minus 3. So less than minus 3. That means our values are begin with minus 3, end with infinite. So minus 3 కంటే ఎక్కువ 3 minus 3 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి minus 3 కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయంటే లేవు. సో f of minus 5 is not defined. Okay, so why? Because so x belongs to only minus 3 to infinite only. In between minus 5 is not exist here. Clear? Right, next one. If a equals to set of 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2, f is to a to b is a surjection defined by f of x equals to cos x, then find p. So ఇక్కడ మనకి surjection ఉంది కాబట్టి surjection is nothing but range of f is nothing but codomain of f. So here b, we find out here b is nothing but here codomain of f. But in surjection codomain is equals to range. Range is nothing but all f images set. The set of all f images is nothing but range. Clear? So now given that a values are 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. Okay. Now f is to a to b is a surjection. Then what we now? The range of f is equals to codomain b. Clear? Range of f is nothing but all f images. All f images here. So range of f is equals to b, that equals to all f images. That means here f images are f of 0, f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, f of pi by 3, f of pi by 2. Clear. Now we find out here f of 0, f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, f of pi by 3, f of pi by 2. So these are inputs here: 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 belongs to domain. Now we find out here x equals to 0 belongs to A. That implies f of 0 value we find out here. So what is f of 0? Given function defined by f of x equals to cos x. F of x equals to cos x. So f of 0 equals to cos 0. That is nothing but 1. X equals to pi by 6. That is also belongs to A. This is the input. So in place of x we substitute here. That is f of pi by 6. That equals to cos pi by 6. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. X equals to pi by 4 belongs to A. F of pi by 4 that equals to cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 cos 45. X equals to pi by 3, next one, pi by 3 belongs to A. That implies f of pi by 3. So what we get here? Cos pi by 3 we get here. Cos 60 1 by 2. So x equals to pi by 2 belongs to A. That implies f of pi by 2 value cos pi by 2 equal, that is nothing but cos 90 value 0. Clear. So these are all f images. That's why we write here b equals to f of 0 1, f of pi by 6 root 3 by 2, f of pi by 4 1 by root 2, f of pi by 3 1 by 2, f of pi by 2 0. So this is nothing but p. Okay. Right. Next question. If a equals to set of -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and f is to a to b is a surjection defined by f of x equals to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. So same type of problem this is also. So given values we write now. First of all, a equals to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So these are all inputs. F is to a to b is a surjection. Again, range of f is nothing but codomain of f, that is equals to b. So here function is defined by f of x equals to x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So here by using this condition, what we get now? Range of f is equals to b. Clear. So that equals to what we get now? Set of all f images. That means f of -2, f of -1, f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2. Okay. So we find out these values here. How to find out here? By given inputs we write now. First of all, x equals to -2 belongs to a. Then outcome what we get here? F of -2, that is the outcome. That is -2 whole square -2 plus 1. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. Next, x equals to -1 belongs to a. Again, f of -1 that equals to -1 whole square -1 plus 1, that equals to, we get here -1 whole square is nothing but 1. X equals 0 belongs to a. F of 0, 0 square 0 plus 0 plus 1. So again we get here 1. So x equals to 1 belongs to a. That implies f of 1 is equals to 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1. We substitute here x value. Clear? So that equals to 3 we get here. X equals last one 2 belongs to a. That implies f of 2 is equals to 2 square 4 plus 2 plus 1. So that equals to 4 plus 2 plus 1, that equals to 7. So we got here all f images. That's why we get here range is nothing but codomain of f. that is B is equals to what we write now. So 3 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma 7. So set of these elements can written also 3 comma 1 comma 7 we write here. So why? Because here 2 times are given here. 2 times we got here 3 comma 3, 1 comma 1 and 7. In right here in sets only one time we take here. Okay. And next question. If A equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and f is to 8 is to R is a function defined by f of x equals to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Then find the range of f. Range of f is nothing but all f images set. So here we find out here all f images. First of all, given values we write now. A equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. And f of x equals to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Now we find out here range of f. So range of f is we write now. Range of f is equals to all f images, that means f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and f of 4. Okay. Now we find out here f of 1, that means x equals to 1 belongs to A, that implies f of 1, what we get here, f of 1 equals to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel, we get here 1 by 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So this is f image. X equals to 2, that is also belongs to A, that implies f of 2 is equals to 2 square 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So we substitute here. So in this case, okay. So what we get here, 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 2 3 by 2 plus 1 3. So we get here 1. So x equals to 3, that is also belongs to A, that implies f of 3 is equals to 3 square 9 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So 10 minus 3 7 by 3 plus 1 4. So x equals to 4, that is also belongs to A. So f of 4 is equals to 4 square 16 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. So what we get is 17 minus 4 13 by 4 plus 1 5. So therefore range is nothing but range of f is 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 7 by 4 comma 13 by 5.